you've been exploring tools to create content efficiently, you've probably come across both Gamma AI and Canva Docs. But which one is better for your needs? Let's break it down and see how they compare. Starting with Gamma AI, this is an AI-powered platform primarily designed to create presentations. It helps you turn your notes, ideas, or research into visually appealing professional slides quickly. Gamma AI automatically suggests layouts, fonts, visuals, and content organization, saving you hours of work while making your presentation polished and easy to follow. It's perfect for students, teachers, freelancers, and small business owners who want professional results with minimal effort. On the other hand, Canva Docs is part of the Canva ecosystem and focuses on document creation rather than presentations. Canva Docs allows you to create visually rich documents, reports, proposals, and written content with design flexibility. You can easily add images, charts, tables, and branded elements, making it ideal for written content that needs a professional visual touch. However, Canva Docs is more text and document-oriented and doesn't automatically generate structured slides or AI-powered presentations like Gamma AI does. The main difference comes down to purpose. Gamma AI is specialized for presentations, offering AI-assisted design, content structuring, and slide generation. Canva Docs is better for creating visually appealing written content, such as reports, proposals, or documents that combine text with design elements. Another difference is speed and automation. Gamma AI automates the creation of presentations, so you can go from content to a finished deck in minutes. Canva Docs gives you more creative control over documents, but it requires more manual work to format and design your content. In short, if your goal is to create professional presentations quickly with AI assistance, Gamma AI is the tool to choose. If you want to produce visually appealing documents, reports, or proposals with full control over design, Canva Docs is a better fit. Some creators even use both tools together, planning content in Canva Docs and then transforming it into slides with Gamma AI. So if you found this comparison useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tool reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Try both Gamma AI and Canva Docs to see which tool works best for your workflow and discover how each can make your content creation faster and more professional.